Let's dive in how to draw a polygon in AutoCAD. Type polygon in the command line and press enter, or from the tool ribbon on the home tab, look for the polygon button in the drawing group. You'll be prompted to specify the number of sides for your polygon. Enter the desired value, 5 for a pentagon, 6 for a hexagon, etc. Next, choose the center point for your polygon. Click on the screen to define the center point visually. Now, you have two options. Enter I to create a polygon inscribed within a circle. This means the vertices of the polygon will touch the circle. Type distance from the center to a vertex. This time we create with circumscribed option, enter C, to create a polygon circumscribed about a circle. In this case, the circle will touch the midpoints of the polygon sides. Specify the radius length of the circle. Thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any question.